What's up, guys? Welcome back to another awesome video on helping everybody reach their personal best. Today I'm going to go over the pedal tone. It's in everything we see, hear, and do. So I want to discuss it today and let everybody understand exactly what a pedal tone is and the various ways we can use them. So let's get right into it because I just love the pedal tone. The first way I'm going to show you is in a rhythmic manner using some power chords. Common pedal tone would be an open string pedal tone that we hear in rhythmically we hear this. Something like this, maybe. Or D string or A string. In this case, I'm going to pedal the A string. So a pedal tone is just a repeated note that we're going to hear over and over in a section of music. Something like this. Or I got... It's a repeated note. Sometimes we may hear it like this. There's a typical pedal tone when you're playing your rhythms. There is something you might hear. Applying it to power chords, this is the A string. If I'm applying the E string pedal, which is very common, we might hear something like this. Or something maybe a little more progressive. These are all pedal tones using the open string. So I'd find the most, in metal, the most common pedal tone is the low E string. Even when it's tuned to a drop D situation, we're just rifling down this string as an open string and then applying some sort of rhythmic pattern. There's your open string pedal tone. On the A string, they might look something like this, maybe. Again, if you're going to try the D string, a pedal tone used in a lead situation, or let's say you're cutting a lick and you want to use a pedal tone, you might do something like this. Using a simple open string pedal tone. Now the last type of pedal tone I'm going to show you is the type of pedal tone where you have a repeated note that's fretted, like a nice little fretted thing. If I want to use this C note here as a pedal tone, I might do something like this, back pedaling into this C note repetitively. Again. And that's how I'd hold down a fretted note, repeating that same fretted note. Guys, I hope this makes pedal tones easy to understand and how you can use them to improve your playing or just add them to your style of music. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck with this. Leave me a comment on what you think if it helps you. If you want to see something else, let me know. See you later, guys.